Good morning, Sir Sudong and Sir Anton. My name is Gilbert George Slim from 11-1 class. Today I will presentation about interview results on intellectual, emotional, and spiritual intelligence. I conduct an interview with a student who act as a resource person discussing intellectual, emotional, and spiritual intelligence in everyday life. I gain a lot of knowledge from the interview. Regarding intellectual intelligence or IQ, he explained that intellectual intelligence is a person's ability to think logically, analyze, and solve problems rationally. He believed that this intelligence plays a crucial role in the learning process because it helps individuals understand lessons, remember information, and apply knowledge in everyday life. A person can improve their logic and reasoning skills by reading a lot, practicing doing problems, and discussing. The relationship between intellectual intelligence and academic achievement is very close. Individuals with high intellectual intelligence tend to be able to understand a problem and are able to provide effective solutions. According to him, the development of intellectual intelligence is influenced by various factors such as genetics, educational environment, and good study habits. In my interviews, emotional intelligence or EQ, he understands this intelligence as a person's abilities to recognize, understand, and manage their own emotions and those of others. He believed that recognizing one's own emotion is crucial in social life because it helps one control emotional reaction and act wisely toward others. To manage one's own emotion and those of others, he said one needs to calm oneself, think positively, and communicate effectively. He also stated that empathy is a crucial component of emotional intelligence as it allows of a person to understand and feel the feelings of others within a collaborative group. Emotional intelligence plays a significant role in creating harmonious relationships. According to my source, he believed that an example of someone with a high IQ is someone who remains calm and polite when critics of confront with conflict. In spiritual intelligence or SQ, according to my source, this intelligence is related to a person's ability to understand the meaning of life, moral values, and their relationship with God. According to him, spiritual intelligence is reflected in behaviors such as gratitude, honest prayer, and helping others sincerely. According to him, developing emotional and spiritual intellectual intelligence is very important for a person's life to be more successful, peaceful, and meaningful. He said that someone with high spiritual intelligence is usually more patient and sincere because they see every problem as a test from God and have a positive belief in life. According to him, religious values and beliefs also play an important role in shaping spiritual intelligence because both direct individuals to behave well and ethically. He also said the spiritual intelligence helps a person find the true meaning of life through awareness of the purpose of life and a deep relationship with the Creator. Overall, he said that these three intelligence from an intelligent person with moral and are able to live wisely. So, while intelligence plays a crucial role in shaping a person's personality and success, intellectual intelligence helps individuals think logically and analyze and solve problems rationally, significantly impacting academic achievement and learning ability. Meanwhile, emotional intelligence helps individuals recognize and manage emotions, build harmonious social relationships, and act wisely in various situations. Furthermore, spiritual intelligence provides inner balance and a deeper sense of meaning in life. By possessing a strong spirituality, a person is able to patiently accept trials, be sincere, and live life with gratitude and positive belief. Therefore, a balance between emotional and spiritual intelligence is crucial for not only intellectual intelligence but, according to my source, also emotional stability and a calm soul, enabling them to achieve success and complete happiness in life. With a high spiritual awareness, individual will be more sensitive to moral values and have a greater sense of responsibility for their behavior and action. That's all my presentation. Thank you.
Selamat malam, nama saya Gilbert Joslim. Saya sedang mewawancarai seorang narasumber yang bernama Wilson. Jadi saya akan langsung memulai wawancaranya. Dalam kecerdasan intelektual, apa yang dimaksud dengan kecerdasan intelektual?
Kemampuan berpikir logis, menganalisis, dan memecahkan masalah.
Bagaimana peran kecerdasan intelektual dalam proses belajar?
Membantu memahami pelajaran, mengingat informasi, dan menerapkan pengetahuan.
Kalau menurut Koko, bagaimana cara seseorang meningkatkan kemampuan logika dan penalarannya?
Menurut saya itu dengan banyak membaca, berlatih soal, dan berdiskusi secara ilmiah.
Apa hubungan antara kecerdasan intelektual dengan prestasi akademik?
Yaitu semakin tinggi IQ-nya, biasanya semakin baik prestasi akademiknya.
Coba jelaskan contoh perilaku seseorang yang memiliki kecerdasan intelektual tinggi.
Cepat memahami masalah dan mampu memberi solusi yang efektif.
Faktor apa saja yang mempengaruhi perkembangan kecerdasan intelektual seseorang?
Genetik, lingkungan, pendidikan, dan kebiasaan belajar.
Kalau dalam kecerdasan emosional, mengapa kemampuan mengenal emosi diri penting dalam kehidupan sosial?
Yaitu agar dapat mengendalikan reaksi dan bersikap dengan bijak terhadap orang lain.
Bagaimana cara seseorang mengendalikan emosi negatif agar tidak merugikan diri sendiri maupun orang lain?
Yaitu dengan menenangkan diri, berpikir positif, dan berkomunikasi dengan baik.
Jelaskan hubungan antara empati dan kecerdasan emosional.
Empati adalah bagian penting EQ untuk memahami perasaan orang lain.
Kalau menurut Koko, bagaimana pengaruh kecerdasan emosional terhadap kerjasama dalam kelompok?
Yaitu membuat hubungan lebih harmonis dan kerjasama lebih efektif.
Coba berikan contoh situasi di mana seseorang menunjukkan kecerdasan emosional tinggi.
Tetap tenang dan sopan saat dikritik atau menghadapi konflik.
Mengapa kecerdasan emosional berperan penting dalam kepemimpinan?
Karena pemimpin yang ber-EQ tinggi mampu memotivasi dan memahami bawahannya.
Kalau dalam kecerdasan spiritual, bisa gak kasih contoh perilaku yang mencerminkan kecerdasan spiritual dalam kehidupan sehari-hari?
Bersyukur, berdoa jujur, dan membantu orang lain dengan tulus.
Bagaimana kecerdasan spiritual dapat membantu seseorang menghadapi kegagalan atau cobaan hidup?
Dengan menerima takdir dan berusaha bangkit secara positif.
Kalau menurut Koko, mengapa penting menyeimbangkan kecerdasan intelektual, emosional, dan spiritual dalam kehidupan?
Agar hidup lebih sukses, damai, dan bermakna secara utuh.
Kalau mengapa seseorang yang memiliki kecerdasan spiritual tinggi cenderung lebih sabar dan ikhlas?
Karena ia melihat masalah sebagai ujian dan memiliki keyakinan positif.
Bagaimana peran nilai-nilai agama atau kepercayaan dalam membentuk kecerdasan spiritual?
Mengarahkan seseorang pada perilaku baik dan beretika.
Bagaimana kecerdasan spiritual membantu seseorang menemukan makna hidup?
Dengan menyadarkan tujuan hidup dan hubungan dengan Tuhan.
Sekian dari wawancara saya, terima kasih.